Look at that little butterball. Get in the boat. I didn't know what I had. I thought I had a whale. Thank you, little buddy. We appreciate you playing the game. Get back to rolling. Rolling on up the road. We've got ourselves a rodeo, boys. Please stay on that. Oh, when that fish went, man, that's so much fun. Get up in this boat. Oh, I love it when the plan comes together. Get started here on the knockout round. I'm actually going to start a little different. I'm way out here. I actually caught one somewhere right up here in practice the other day under Skull and Mullet. It was real calm then, but gonna try this for a little bit. I've not done it at all in the tournament. I've had a couple bites actually kind of like this out on these submerged stumps. So I'm gonna do this for a few minutes, not very long if it doesn't work, but just to kind of mix it up. Trying to just make myself go fishing today, not get locked into what I've done the last few, because it was just barely good enough. We'll try to keep it fresh today. That's the plan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Huh. Well, I'll be dadgum. Maybe it wasn't quite as random out here as I thought it was.
1 pound, 13 ounces.
Thank you. Stay on that fish. There's also another one.
2 pounds, 11 ounces.
211. Thank you. Nice chunk one. Thank you, little buddy. Appreciate you playing my game. Stay on the fish. Get yourself up in here.
2 pounds, 11 ounces.
Seems about like what the last one was. Mm-hmm. Good chunks is what they are. Thank you, Lord. First break update. Caught 3 that period. Caught 1 out in the middle. I'd actually caught a fish out there in practice the other day. And caught that one almost on the exact same spot. Way out on kind of on a little point. And then come back through there later and caught a little one on a Rocco. So there's a few fish out there. I'm not sure why that spot versus all the rest of it, but there's some reason. Then went up in the area where I'd done most of my damage, especially the first day and some yesterday, and caught 1 there on a little bladed jig, and then back over here now actually where my best stretch wacky worming was. That particular, I caught 2 there, 1 there yesterday. Caught a non-keeper there, had one still my worm here right now, and caught a decent one right back down there. So going to wacky worm a little more this stretch and kind of just keep moving around, keep fishing whatever looks good, and after this it'll be either go in the Roanoke or just stay out here in the bay and kind of go fishing new stuff. It's probably what I'm actually going to do at this point. So we're sitting in 10th, 3 for 7 pounds. If it keeps that up, it'd be 21. That's kind of about what I thought it would be, and we're just barely on pace to do it. So we need to step it up some. Step it up. Get up and around that stump. Thank you.
2 pounds, 1 ounce.
2-1, 2-1. Thank you, little buddy. Got your butt today. Missed him yesterday. That's what he looked like, about 2-2. Let's see how close my thought was yesterday. Underwater when he come off.
2-1.
I thought he looked
good.
Thought he looked like he was about 2-2 yesterday. He might just do it.
1 pound, 11 ounces.
13 pounds even. You're still in 10th. You're 4-2 ahead of 11th, which is Poche, and 1-6 out of 9th, and
No, oh yeah, he's pretty decent. He's pretty decent.
You just moved up 2 spots.
That's what you were trying to say?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. 1 pound, 11 ounces. People think that's the same fish.
I thought it was big at first. Get in the boat.
1 pound, 13 ounces.
113. Big in there. Got us one.
2 pounds, 4 ounces.
2-4. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, it's already doubled. We're only halfway through this period.
Yeah.
That 21 may not be. Probably ain't gonna be safe. It's gonna be more like 25 at least. At least 25, I'd say. He's a little dude. Oh. Thought he was small. I think he might go. Come on, go to 1.8.
£1 pound, 8 ounces.
Got us a score. He's a mean little sucker.
2 pounds, 1 ounce.
2 pounds and an ounce. Thank you, little buddy. We appreciate you playing the game. All right. Sitting in 7th place in the second period. Got 22.05. 10th is 19. 11th is 18. Then it dropped some. 16, 14, 8. So we're right around that cut line. Definitely close. I think if I could catch 5 pounds, I think I'm safe. That'd give me 27. 5 pounds would do it. I do believe. I think I need to go back to where I caught all them, try to catch a couple or 3 more, give me 5 more pounds. Man, we're close. So close. Gotta try to get her done. Thank you, sir. One more period and then hang in there. Hang in there, baby. Don't even have to hardly get outside.
1 pound, 9 ounces.
They don't hardly even have to get outside. That's what's funny. Get your hand on the handle.
1 pound, 8 ounces.
Scoreable bass, baby. Stay on there, fish. How big are you? Look at that little butterball. I didn't know what I had. I thought I had a whale. He ain't flipped once. He turned himself sideways. He still ain't wiggled. Woke him up now. He's about to flop like crazy is what he's about to do. I can't believe that fish ain't ever flopped.
2 pounds, 1 ounce.
Little fatty. Thank you, buddy. Get up in this boat.
2 pounds, 6 ounces.
2-6. Nice one. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, we finally made championship round this year. I was kind of beginning to wonder if we was going to get one or not, but we finally did. So thank you, Lord. Made it in there. Kind of a slow last period. Just picked up a couple here and there, or 1 or 2, I guess. I come up here. This was a stretch where I had caught a couple the first day of practice, and I think I caught 3 down through there. So I think I for sure needed 1 of them. I may have needed a couple of them, but we made it. We made it. Good decision. Made the championship round. Fished clean. I broke off 1 fish today. Other than that, I landed every fish I hooked. I think nearly every bite I had. So very, very clean day. And when you make, I didn't have a lot of extra opportunities, obviously, so I needed every one of them. So thankful for that. Great day. Feels like a big. He ain't a bad one. He ain't a bad one at all.
2 pounds, 13 ounces.
He's 13. That's a good way to start the day right there. Pretty Roanoke River bass. Not bad at all right there. Parker's in here. I guess you would say he's helping me. Yeah, he's helping me. He's helping me clean out, reorganize, because it ain't long before we go to the James River. But the Chowan River was a fun tournament. That was really, really awesome. New place, you know, so that made it a lot of fun to go to somewhere completely new like that. You know, really just having to get out there and figure it out on our own. So made for a fun event. Had a good tournament, first top 10 of the year. Thankful for that, and sitting pretty good shape in the points to make Red Crest. Not in the running for Angler of the Year by any means or anything, but I think I'm 12th after this event, and not terrible shape on heavy hitters. I'm like 22nd. I've got a couple pound lead over 30th. So, you know, if I can, you want to think that you're going to catch at least a 5-pounder at St. Lawrence, and nearly everybody is. So St. Lawrence will be a hard one to move. If I can catch a good one at the James, I should be in decent shape. You know, catch a 5-pounder there, 4 to 5-pounder there, should be in good shape. So had most of the fam with me this tournament. Had a top 10. Did you have fun, Spud, in North Carolina?
Go to the James River.
You gotta talk your mama into it. You can hang out with Taylor. It was a good time. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure you like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.